This is how to enable overnight trading on TradingView. Now, first of all, this is a daily chart. You cannot enable extended trading hours or overnight trading. There's nothing here to show. But if you drop a time frame, you see this is a 4-hour, the 1 hour, and what are all these pink colors and different colors on my chart? Well, here, bottom right, you see I have a 24-hour session. If I go to extended, that's even less hours. That's pre-market and post-market. And if I go to regular, then this is just normal market hours, which is practically the same as daily here. So again, as you are in daily, you have to drop a lower time frame, go to the lower right and change the session to where you want it. 24H enables 24 hours. This is how you can enable 24-hour trading on your TradingView. Like and subscribe for more videos.